Welcome. Today, we're going to dive into a product that's sparking a fascinating conversation in the world of oral care. Let's take a closer look at a new kind of oral supplement called ProDentim. You know how some of the most powerful ideas are the ones that flip everything you thought you knew on its head? That's what's happening here. For years, the dental industry has been laser focused on one idea: sterilize, sterilize, sterilize. We've been trained to believe that the key to a healthy mouth is to kill every single bit of bacteria. But what if that's the problem? A recent scientific discovery suggests that people with healthy teeth actually have a high population of good bacteria in their mouths. It turns out many of our go-to dental products might be wiping out the very ecosystem that protects us. It's like a jungle thriving on its own, and then we show up with a can of spray cleaner. ProDentim's approach is fundamentally different. Instead of destroying, it's about rebuilding. It's the only product of its kind designed to repopulate your mouth with billions of these beneficial probiotics, essentially resetting your oral microbiome. So what's inside this unique chewable? We're talking about a powerhouse of 3.5 billion probiotics, with specific strains like Lactobacillus paracasei, B. lactis BL04, and Lactobacillus reuteri, all clinically studied for their roles in everything from supporting healthy gums and the immune system to helping with inflammation. But it doesn't stop there. This formula also includes a proprietary blend of plants and minerals that act as a support system. There's inulin, a prebiotic fiber that actually feeds the good bacteria so they can stick around and do their job. Then you've got malic acid, the same stuff found in strawberries, that helps maintain tooth whiteness, along with tricalcium phosphate for tooth health, and a little peppermint for a natural anti-inflammatory boost. It's a holistic approach to oral care that works from the inside out, nurturing a healthy environment rather than just cleaning a dirty one. Now, with a new approach comes new questions. What can you actually expect to see? The product's presentation suggests that with consistent use, you could start noticing fresher breath and less morning dryness in just a couple of weeks. Over time, that could progress to firmer, pinker gums and a general sense of cleaner teeth. Imagine your next dental visit, and your hygienist asks what you've been doing differently. And what about safety? Is it too good to be true? According to the information, ProDentim is safe for long-term use, made with non-GMO, non-habit-forming, gluten-free, and stimulant-free ingredients. It's a gentle biological approach, which makes sense. After all, you're not introducing harsh chemicals, you're simply bringing back what your body naturally needs. The only thing mentioned is that a few people might experience a temporary digestive shift as their gut flora adjusts to the new prebiotics, which is actually a sign that things are rebalancing. So, what's the investment? The pricing is structured in a few bundles to help you find the right fit. A 60-day supply comes in a 2-bottle pack. The most popular option is the 3-bottle, 90-day supply. And then there's the best value, a 6-bottle bundle that covers you for 6 months. The best part? That 6-bottle option comes with a few extra bonuses, including ebooks to help you on your oral health journey. You'll find all the details, including these special offers and any active discounts, on the official website link in the description below. And if you're wondering if it's worth the leap of faith, they've got you covered. The company backs every order with an ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. If you're not impressed with the results, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. It's a risk-free way to find out if this biological approach is the missing piece in your routine. When we think about our health, we often look for the quick fix: a new toothpaste, a different mouthwash. But what if the answer isn't another product that scrubs or sterilizes, but one that supports and restores? ProDentim represents a shift in thinking, from being on the defensive against bacteria to building a strong, resilient oral ecosystem. It's an intriguing idea, and one that just might be the key to finally winning the battle for your best smile. So, if you're ready to explore this new path, click the link in the description. It will take you to the official website where you can learn more and grab one of the discounted packages. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier mouth and a brighter smile.